guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review the new iSmile California teeth whitening kit. I did have a review for their older version, but they actually just came out with a newer version, which is awesome because it's wireless. And what's really cool about this teeth whitening kit is that it's based on red and blue lights. So if you have really sensitive gums, this is for you. I've said that. I love the fact that it doesn't burn my gums because a lot of them out there. So here is the kit right here. You have the teeth whitening gel syringes. You have 3 of them, and then you also have the desensitizing gel syringe. And then you also have a box to put your trays, and then here is the light as well. This is wireless, whereas last time it could connect to your phone. Now, as you guys know, I currently have Invisalign, and I'm excited to try this out because as my teeth are moving, I'm seeing a lot of stains, especially on the bottom row. So I'm going to take my Invisalign out right now. I'm going to show you, which is so embarrassing. Oh my god. So before you do this, you want to brush your teeth and make sure they're nice and dry. So I'm going to zoom in because I already did that. I'm going to show you especially where my teeth are really yellow just from being so crowded and kind of sitting on top of each other and being crooked. So now that they're straightening out, you know, I'm seeing them and I'm like, oh my gosh. All right, so here we go. It also comes with a little strip right here so that you could see what level your teeth are color-wise. I definitely feel like I'm an 8 or a 9. Now, underneath my attachment, my teeth are pretty white, so what I'm trying to do is get that yellow to match underneath my teeth. But these teeth down here are straightening out. They're really yellow because I'm seeing them for the first time ever, and it's a really sad situation. So I'm praying to the teeth gods that this helps me out right now. First, what you want to do is take the syringe of the teeth whitener, and then it comes with little attachments right here. I'm actually going to put it into my Invisalign tray. That way I know it fits me correctly. You can use the tray that comes in the little case, but I'm choosing to use this just so that I can get it in between every little crack and crevice perfectly. But both of them will do the job. Little bit in here. You really don't need a lot. A little bit will really go a long way because once you put it in and squeeze it, it's going to move around. Then you want to take off the cap. Here you can see the device, and then you can see the red and blue lights. I'm going to pop this into my mouth, and then there's a timer for 15 minutes. Okay, so the self timer went off. I rinsed my mouth out. I went and brushed my teeth. So used the desensitizing gel as well, which came in the blue one, but I didn't want to run this video too long and you guys get bored because I know you guys want to see my results and I'm so excited. So let's go. I would definitely say I add a 7. Definitely say that this brought my teeth down to a 7. It definitely came down a shade, maybe 2 shades, and that was with 1 use. And it says on the package that you can see the difference between 3 to 5 days. So I'm definitely going to spread this out and use it again. And it's pretty obvious that it worked. You could see a lot of the yellow disappeared, and you could see that the yellow is still there, obviously, like around the gum line where you could see the teeth kind of overlapped. Huge change. Obviously, it definitely got rid of a lot of the yellow, so I'm very, very excited to see. I'm going to make sure that I keep flossing, keep brushing, and then probably in 2-3 days, I'm going to try it again and see if I go down another shade, which I suspect I will, and I'm really, really excited. And I'm happy with the results, and I think it's pretty awesome. I'll leave it in a link below if you're looking for a good whitening kit, especially if you have, you know, sensitive gums like a lot of us do. I'll leave it below where you can pick one up yourself. Again, this is iSmile California. Really, really love it. I'll also link down my video that I did before using this brand. I swear by it. I really hope you guys like this video. I'll do another update probably in about a month so that you guys can see a clear before and a clear after of using it a few times. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to check out iSmile California, and I'll see you soon.